I would like to start by thanking Pritam Bhai from the audio store for sending this 7 edged 7 Hz timeless IEM. This is one of the rare planar based IEMs in the market. There are a few planar based IEMs as of now. There weren't many before 2020, but as of now, there are some planar based IEM. Last time around, I did a comparison video of the Teen Hi-Fi P1, which to P1 Plus, which to is a planar based IEM, but that one had a smaller planar driver of 9 or 10 I think. This one has a much bigger planar driver inside it at around 14 something so we will check that on the box. As of now, the timeless is priced at 18,000 rupees. uh, if it were a few months ago, I would have said getting it imported is not a bad idea, but as of now, the custom department is really ruthless. They are charging a lot of custom amount, which is around 48% plus some handling charges and stuff. I just paid 16,000 rupees of custom, so you guys can understand what is the situation of custom here in India. Recently they have been really ruthless about this. I was expecting a slightly bigger package, but this looks fairly good to me. Nice small package for a quality IEM. We have some specification here. Looks good to me. 104 dB. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. I think 14.2 mm planar driver and 4.8 14.8 ohm 3.5 mm termination timeless. Looks good. The packaging looks nice too. So I'll have to pull this together. Okay, slightly, yeah, okay, out. Nice. This is a good looking case. Is it metal? Yes, metal case. Looks nice. Similarly designed to the UE case. UE case was plastic. I think this is metal. Nice looking case. Magnetic case. Nice. Good looking case for a reasonably good looking IM. There are some, yeah, fair bit of tips, 4 and 5 pairs, some foam tips you guys can see, and narrow bore wide bore tips. That is a fairly good set of tips for a IM of this caliber. The cable isn't heavy. The IM is slightly on the heavier side. As you guys can see, metal body, slightly on the larger side, two mmcx connectors. The design is fairly good. I like this design. This is not huge. I was maybe I had a slightly larger image in my mind, but this one looks fairly good to me. Not very large. This should fit comfortably in most of the years, given that the larger side is at the outer side. So this is this looks good. I'll be comparing it with uh, Try i3 Pro, and let's see how this IM fares in its own. I'm expecting good quality mid-range and bass, if not a lot of treble. I'm not expecting a lot of micro details, but I'm expecting good quality texture and timber from this IM. This is a planar based IM, and planars are very good when it comes to texture and timber. I do feel this one should be comfortable. That who you guys can see the nozzle looks cool. That's a cool design on the nozzle, and I do feel that it might be slightly on the shallower side, but I'll do the comparison and get back to you guys in a couple of weeks, if not more. Obviously, I'll try to compare it as soon as possible. I'll post impression if I feel this IEM is really impressive. A quick impression if I found that. So that's it. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy.